is Chef Pete.
Hey, foodies! Coming live from Carpizzo's kitchen with the new Breville Press and Grill. And I've got one side set for flat. I've got the other side set to go for our beautiful chicken breast that I have here. And I'm going to do on the flat side over here. Let's see if this is ready. I don't know yet, but let's see. Oh yeah, I think he's ready. So let's be very careful. Remember here, let's get our onion and peppers on this side, and we're going to start to cook them. Did you hear them sizzling? Oh boy! And I've got some more veggies which I'm going to put in at the end. But let's get this going, and let's get a little salt on here. Little salt. We'll get some salt going, and a little pepper. A little pepper. So this is our new Breville Grill and Press. So it does paninis, grilling, pancakes, eggs, everything. This does the whole thing. And now I'm going to spray just a little olive oil. Just a little, just like that, so it has some olive oil. And I think we'll give it a little garlic for our veggies. We need some garlic. And a little bit of oregano, I think, just for a little bit of zest. Right, there we go. So we're going to start those cooking up because we need to get these veggies going over here. And what we do is I take 2 spatulas whenever I use these grills. I have another one like this, but it's a different flat kind. And this one here, we're going to get these going like this. Look at this. Oh my God. You don't have to use much. These plates that come with this Breville are ceramic, and they already have the non-stick stuff, right? So it's already got it. And this one here, it needs to come apart. There we go. Now we got it. And no, for those of you that are thinking, I've never worked at Benihana, so this is just Chef Pete working here in our Carpizzo's kitchen. And there we go. We got this going. There we go. There we go. Everything's cooking nicely. So let's get these going. We want to get these going. And over on the other side here, I think while these are going, I'm going to get these chicken breasts on here. I took 1/2 a breast. There we go. We got them on there. And I cut them, just butterflied them in half. So we have that going. Right?
Oh yeah, that looks good.
And if something cooks faster than the other, it's okay. Just cover it with a pan or a lid or whatever you like. That's the easy way to do this. So let's season up that chicken breast.
Welcome anybody who's coming on. We're using the new Breville Sear and Press.
It's a sear and press. Yes, it is. Okay, so here we go. A little salt, a little pepper on there. And then I'm going to spray these two with just a little olive oil. Remember, these plates that are on here, the flat and or the grill side, are made out of ceramic and they heat up really fast. I was just amazed how this is heating up. It's doing really well. So now while those meats are starting, let's just come back over here to the veggie side and let's kind of flip them over. Look how nice they're going.
Did you say you worked at Benihana?
No, I never worked at Benihana. This is just Chef Pete doing his thing in our Carpizzo's kitchen. There we go.
Well, there's about 77 people online right now.
So
welcome all, everybody. Florence Cantor. Smells like chicken. Yes, it does. And actually,
I lost one, everybody. There we go.
You can smell the, what do you call that? The onions and stuff cooking, and I can't believe he didn't put any oil on it.
I just sprayed a little bit of olive oil, okay? Just so that it gets a little olive oil taste, okay? So if you're on a diet and you want to keep it slim, this is the way to go. Grilling does a really great job. Okay, so let me take a look at these and see if I have the right temperature for this. Oh, he's cooking good. Let's get the temperature up higher here to 410. We're going to leave it 410 there for the veggies, and the veggies are doing really well. So what I'm going to do now is take these veggies and kind of move them this way, just like this. See how nice? And for those of you that have never had one of these kind of appliances, there's a slit in the middle here where any and all of the juices that come off go into, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to do, what did I do? I lost them. Okay, I'm going to get some potatoes on here. Let's go for it today. Let's get some potatoes on here. Alrighty.
This is amazing. I thought it would be a lot more splattering and stuff, and it's not. It's just really nice, even cooking.
Well, I took some red potatoes, everybody, and what I did with them is I cut them very thin, and I had them in some water. And what we're going to do, let's get some seasoning on these potatoes. Those look delicious too. A little salt here. Let's get some salt on there. And let's get a little garlic.
Thanks, everybody, for watching.
There we go. A little pepper, everyone. Pepper is good. If you don't like any of the seasonings I'm using, don't use them. Use what your family is accustomed to. Okay? Alrighty. So there we go. We got that going.
Oh my God, it smells great.
And I'm going to spray this just a little bit. See how I spray it? Way high. Do it way high, everybody. Okay, so our chicken is looking. Let me take a look at the. Where's my. I lost it, Auntie. Here it is. I got it. Let me take a look at the other side. Okay, we've got to keep this going on this side some more. Alrighty.
Let's see, how's that chicken? That looks good.
It's going. Okay, and then what we're going to do here is make sure that this is up hotter for the chicken. Okay, I'm turning it up hotter. Anthony will show you over here. We have two controls, one for the bottom and one for the top over here. And I have the top set higher at 450 and the bottom set, about, I don't know, what is that, 410. Okay, so I want to cook the chicken and I want the chicken cooked, but I don't want to dry it out. So the way to do this is to
keep it moving.
Get them on there and keep them moving. And let me take a look under here. Okay, we haven't browned yet, but we're gonna
You're
keep
firing
them going.
that up a little?
Yeah, I just turned this a little higher, everybody. Okay, so now we got our veggies going over here. And if you like, when you're grilling, you can put things in your oven and keep them warm once they're cooked, until you get everything done. If you like. If not, you can keep them all on the pan. So now I'm going to use the tongs. We'll just kind of fluff these a little.
Do you need to cover any of these while you're cooking? Or no?
You can if you like. It just steams it. It'll cause a steaming effect. I'm not doing that today. I might do it to the chicken, but these are cooking really nice, everybody. Oh, they smell delicious. And the potatoes are going really
Somebody's
well.
asking what's in the spray.
Oh, olive oil. This is just olive oil, everybody. Olive oil, okay?
Not Pam, olive oil.
Yeah, Pam is Pam. Pam olive oil or olive oil. This is Amazon on Happy Belly, okay? All right, he's starting to brown up. I don't want to make these too dark, but I'm going to season.
Oh yeah, look at how nice that's cooking.
I'm going to season this side. And this is the first time out, everybody, so understand, next time I know I'm going to start with a higher heat on the chicken. We're going to stay at 450 as we grill here. That's
Look at these
oregano.
beautiful vegetables. Oh my God.
And I'm going to give it another shot on this side of olive oil. Okay, everybody? And a little bit of garlic powder. That's all we need. All right? Okay, so we're going to cook these up. And the veggies are going good here. These veggies are looking really well. They're wilted up nice. See, everybody? Now you can do them. You could do these as, if you don't like them this soft, you can do them to where they're harder, right? Okay? All right. So there we go.
It doesn't need any more oil or
Nope,
anything,
it's
huh?
perfectly fine. Look at this, everyone.
I can't believe, it's almost like you're steaming it the way it looks.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so now we have some good chicken. The chicken is now going real good. Our temperature is up. It's almost there. I'm going to let it brown some more there a little bit because it's really looking good. You guys can see. So if you're on a diet that needs low saturated fat, chicken breast is the way to go here.
Somebody said you might want to turn your potato.
I might want to, but I'm going to do them just shortly. Just shortly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the veggies out and stick them over here that I've done already and put them in the warming Breville oven I have here on warm at about 240. I'm going to pull these out and I'm going to set them aside so we can get more room here for more veggies.
Well, I thought you might try to brown them a little more.
And then we're going to come back after a little bit. Okay, so there we go.
My God, it looks great. And I just can't believe it. It's really quite
I just
amazing.
wanted to show everybody how you can do all different things on this thing. And I'm getting some space now so we can do that. For those of you that have watched me in the past, you know I like these appliances, especially when you're living in a really hot environment like we do here in Nevada, okay? All right, so now let's get these potatoes out here. Listen to those, everybody. All right, let's get these going and let's mix them up a little bit.
See if you can get them a little more brown.
And let's get them going here. There we go. All right. And this I'm just going to pop right in this little oven over here. It'll stay warm. It's perfectly fine. Okay, now let's see here how we're doing over here. Okay.
Wow, that chicken's coming along nice.
And I think I'm going to give it just a little bit of paprika just for color on here. And then we're going to flip them. And these are ready. They feel ready to me. We're going to probably go into the little, turn this side on. And I'm going to put a lid on top of it. And you can use whatever kind of lid you want to use. I'm using this one. It works just fine.
Oh yeah, that's very nice.
Okay. And it's going to kind of steam them. But what I'm going to do is turn it off on that side. So that side is now off. Okay. See how nice this is, everybody? Look at that. I can flip him over.
Oh, it actually smells really nice, too. Boy. Oh, God, look at that.
Okay.
Getting a nice brown.
Now, I know all of you cook differently, just like I do. We all cook differently, okay? So you do it the way you guys like it. I'm testing this out, and we're going to get these potatoes going here.
I can't wait to
just like
make this with the Asian marinade.
Oh, that
It is going to be good on here. Or
Okay,
with
so-
the ribs. The ribs. Ooh.
Okay, so now the potatoes are going, and I think I'm going to give them a little paprika. My voice is going, everybody.
By the way, thank you for all the people that are hanging in. We appreciate it. And we've gone through over 129 people. We're down to 5, but that's okay. Whoever sees it, they're going to love it. And we'll be showing this on the record when it's done. It'll go up on the recording.
Okay, so there we have it, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to finish up veggies, and I'm going to finish up the potatoes, and then we'll show you how everything looks when I plate it up later at the table. So this is Peter Carpizzo's, and we enjoy cooking, and this is the new Breville. It's just I can't.
Sear Press.
I know, it's a Sear Press, right? Okay, we got it covered. This is Peter Carpizzo's out.